Well, of course, yesterday you had the big news which came about the twin treats for the banks with the RBI governor unwinding some of the liquidity tightening measures. And that, of course, is boding well for the overall currency space as a whole. You do have the rupee, which is continuing to appreciate against the US dollar, so at levels of close to 61.66 as we speak. Most of the other Asian currencies are presently trading mixed, but the rupee is the second best performing currency in Asia. Meantime, the bond yields, well, you currently have them easing to a two-week low since the 20th of September, so close to 8.5% as we speak. And in just today's session, have eased something like 15 basis points on the back of all of that news. But when it comes to the equity markets, we've tempered off somewhat from the day's high now.
Yeah, metals and some of the commodity names have come off quite rapidly. Not to say that banking is still ruling the roost. It may be still higher, but has come off the day's high, as we said in the headlines as well. In the Bank Nifty, a clear indication there. But look at the losers. BPCL down 2.5% or almost over 2%. Coal India is down close to 1.5%. Tata Steel, Hindalco, Sesa Sterlite. So it's essentially commodity names, the top 5 losers on the Nifty. And have to say that tech is taking a bit of a breather today. And you wouldn't complain. I mean, they had a stellar run. But look at HCL Tech, look at TCS. All of these stocks have just taken a bit of a breather in today's session. L&T is still high, and some of the banking names are still high, but they've come off the day's highs for sure. And just a couple of other pockets should pull up the education stocks, and not the Educom Bevron variety, but the NIIT and the Aptech variety. Those are the ones which have done very well in the session. Aptech has those couple of rumors going, but still up 6.5%, 7% or around 5.5%, 6% for both Aptech and NIIT. So that is one pocket that is doing exceptionally well in trade. And Escorts continues where it left off from yesterday. So up around the 3.5% to 4% or probably slightly over that in today's session as well. And the volumes too are doing very well. And just a word, we should pull up the intraday of the Nifty also for you. Just like it happened for the Bank Nifty, even the Nifty is trading at the day's low. So 5928. The way it's not sustaining at those lower levels, the way it's not keep staying at those lower levels, somehow it's failing to sustain itself above those 5950, 6000 kind of levels as well. So a very tight range that we seem to be in.